Hello my dear friend, how are you? Hope you are doing well and everything is okay for you. Today we are gonna learn and know how to make money through YouTube Shorts and TikTok Beta and Instagram Pro with some tools, and it's completely free. It's 100% free with no subscriptions and no money subscriptions extra. So these kind of videos and shorts are calm and advices and motivational shorts. So let's start the business. First of all, we are gonna enter this, set Pixabay or Pixels or any platform that offer free images and videos, and let's start from here, videos. And we, for example, if we need to do calm shorts, we will search and look for nature, for example, and put enter, and here resolution any, orientation is vertical, horizontal. No, it's vertical, sorry, in order to give us the resolution of YouTube. And we will search and look for 3 or 4 or 5 or any, but this video should be related. For example, here it's rainy day, so we won't look for this with sunny day. Okay, this and all of them should be at night, for example, and this, as you see. And we will choose another one, this also, and finally another one with a rainy day or at night, or any of this. How to find it? For example, this. No, it's far from our collection. This is this. So we'll download them. The first one is completed. The second one also. The third one extra. After finishing this, we will go to our beloved program of editing videos. It's CapCut. It's free for Android, iOS and Windows, and click on new project, extra, next, and so after that we will go to where is our collection and put it here. Okay, next, sorry, we need to skip this tutorial, and okay, now so delete and go to our project, and ta-da, it's here. So from this ratio we have to select this. It's 9:16 in order to make it phone or short size. Okay, I think all of these are correct. So we have this. It looks nice. We have almost 14 seconds. We'll add another ones to reach the 1 minute level. So because if we have the 1 minute video, it will be better. Okay, so as we see here, so what do we need now? Now we need a music to put it with this, a calm music. So here's a hint, keep it in mind. YouTube allow you to put music, but only the non-copyrightable music. So we need some music with no copyrights. Okay, Creative Commons, as we say. So the covers are uncopyrightable, okay, non-copyrightable, and are free. Keep it in mind, the covers are free. So we go, for example, here and enter YouTube and choose this, for example, calm music covers. Okay, and we will choose, for example, this, okay, this video. Okay, this video, as you see here, it's running. Okay, we will download it, of course, and we come here and we do this. We add it here from the beginning. Okay, here. So what's the deal now? First of all, we need to make it as much as compatible with our video. So we need to split it and cut the rest. Now keep in mind, we need to go this and copy this, extract audio, because we do not need the video. So okay, we delete the video. Now we have the audio and the video, and after that we will do this vocal isolation. You can put it like this if you need, but in order to make it even pro and better, you do this, because is a niche, is also a niche. Keeping only the vocal or only the instrumental is a niche. You can, if you need to delete the instrumental and only keep the vocal, we keep coupled vocal here. But if you need to delete the vocal and keep only the instrumental, we keep the vocal and we keep the instrumental by pushing this remove vocal here. Now I will keep it only like this and make it clear. Okay, so as you see here, okay,
we're gonna wait.
Okay. Now we will go to the other step. Okay. If our cover has some words, we will do this. We push text and
ثم سوف اقوم بعمل شادو. ومثلا انا اخترت هذا الستايل بهذا الشكل، فقط انشات فقط بالتلاعب على هذه الخيارات الشادو. وممكن ان تعطيه جلو على العموم، فقط تلاعب بهذه الخيارات ستنتج معكم كابشن جيده. تمام. سوف اعطيه ايضا انيميشن، اضغط على الانيميشن واتوجه الى لوب لكي يكون انيميشن على كافه المقطع. هناك عده انواع من الانيميشن كما تلاحظون. هناك انيميشن للتموجات كنت اشتغل بها دائما، سوف عنها. مثلا هذه الويف جميله، تبدو بهذا الشكل. دعوني اشتغل بها. الويف تبدو جميل. ممكن التحكم في نتوجه الى تكست.
Okay, and now we will go here and make an edit. Okay, for example, edit, try to click here apply to all in order to make, if you wanna copy your editing on all the video. Okay, like this. As I was saying, okay, and you make as you want and see the difference.
This isn't the first time I tried filming this video.
See?
The first time around, there was a lot.
Okay, and you can edit as you like, add your touch on it. You can do whatever you like, and after that, for example, you see here, you can see that it is
so bad.
So now we will go to export, for example, and we make however we like, depend on your laptop or desktop or your configuration or what you want to need. Okay, for example, I keep it like this, export audio, or keep it only as a video, and we push the export here, and here we go. Congratulations, you have your short and your exclusive short. If you want to make another thing, a watermark, you can add a watermark as you like and put it on your short. Take care of yourselves and see you later, and thank you very much. Okay, sorry before. Okay, this is our video in TikTok or YouTube or whatever you like. Thank you very much.